Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead, and it is non-phone data entry. That's the kind of job leads we all like. But real quick, if you're new here, I'm always searching the internet, trying to find the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure if you don't want to miss another upload from me that you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. That way YouTube will let you know every time I post a new video. But with that being said, the company Conduent, they're an outsourcing business solutions company. They are hiring an entry-level medical claims data entry person to work remote. So this is in the United States only, and they want someone who either lives in the Eastern Standard Time Zone or the Central Standard Time Zone. Now, this does only pay $12.50 an hour, so it is not the top pay that we've seen in a lot of positions. The reason I chose to share this is as a single mom back in the day when I was looking for work from home careers, I was in positions myself where I just needed to get my foot in the door somewhere that was entry level, and then I could work up to making bigger money. And then I've been in situations before where I had no job and I literally just needed money coming in to feed my children while I was actively looking for a job. I try to share job leads on my channel that fit everyone's needs and situations. So if this is not for you, that is okay, but I did just want to share in case it made a difference for anyone out there. So it is entry level. You can get in and get some healthcare medical claims data entry experience, and then you can put that on your resume to help you have experience for higher paying jobs. So they are looking for someone to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. in the Central Time Zone, and they are looking for someone to do tasks, take Excel spreadsheets where you work with data entry of medical claims. You'll process daily custom and system outgoing correspondence, photocopy various documents, and you'll communicate questionable situations to your manager or supervisor. Since this is entry level, they really did not list a whole lot about what is required. It looks like they are looking for anyone to apply. It is simply just data entry in Excel spreadsheets. So pretty much anyone qualifies, and you do not need a college degree, and it doesn't look like you even need a high school degree. All right, like I said, I just wanted to share, since this is entry level and data entry that a lot of people are looking for, in case it helps anyone. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.